Hi guys, I'm Elena Semenek and welcome to my channel, Psychology of Happiness. This is part 2 of the video how to achieve your goals or how to make your dream come true. In first video I told you to write at least 50 goals and divide them into specific blocks. If you did not see it, the link will be below this video. So in this video I will tell you the secret how to write your goals. There are 5 rules that you should follow when you're writing your goals. The rule number 1, that your goal should not include other people. For example, I want to get a new car, or I want to get a new job. The wrong way, I want my boyfriend to buy me a new car, or I want my parents to give me money so I can rent the place. So your goals is only about you and not other people. The rule number 2, be specific. For example, I want to go to Hawaii for 1 week vacation. And the incorrect will be, I want a vacation. So be specific where you want to go, what do you want to do, what do you want to get. The third rule is be positive. Write only what you want and not what you don't want. So for example, the correct way will be, I want to feel appreciated at my job. The wrong way will be, I don't want to feel tired anymore at my job. So never use I don't. Write only what you do want, where you want to go and how do you want to feel. The rule number 4 is write each goal separately. For example, the incorrect way will be, I want to get a new job, I want to get more money, I want my separate office, and I want to be a manager. So this is incorrect. Write every goal separately. And the last rule is very important. One goal should not be a condition for another goal. For example, when I ask people, what do you want? They say,
I want to be a billionaire so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had.
I want just one thing. I want like 5, 10, 15 million dollars and I will be happy. If I will get this money, I can buy myself a car, a house, like I can get wherever I want. No, this is wrong because you limit yourself. It means that you will not get a new car, you will not get a new house, you will not get a new job until you get specific amount of money. So in this case, you have only one goal and it's pretty hard goal. You never know what opportunities will be in your life. Do not limit yourself just for the money. Go back to your lists, make corrections if necessary, and see you next video. The next video is very important, is when to write your goals, under which conditions to write your goals. And if you have questions, comments, leave it below the video. Subscribe to my channel, join me on the Facebook, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
I want to be a billionaire so fucking bad.